Boxycharm is here, and this is my Christmas stocking stuffers right here. This is it. We're going to go through it. Do you guys do that? Like when it gets close to Christmas time, you're like, crap, I don't have a whole lot of money to spend. Let's just go ahead and, I got a new appreciation for these things because you do get quite a bit for $30. This is my PR box though. But anyhow, let's get into it. I've never heard of this brand before. This is a newbie to Boxycharm. It's called Cinta London. It is a super hold setting spray. I didn't use setting spray today, so let's try her out. Oh, she smells like, ooh, I can't remember the brand, but their hair care line. So it actually smells pretty good. Oh, I just got it on my iconic London highlighter. Wait till you guys see this. This thing is gorgeous, and I would swatch it for you, but like I said, it's going in my daughter's stocking. Look at her. Is she not the most beautiful thing? Wow. Then we have an eyeliner, and look at the tip. This looks like it might be pretty cool. I don't know, but it's by a brand that I've never heard of. So we got two brands we've never heard of this month. Then we have Mercari, which is a great brand. This stuff is so good. It is their Essential C Cleanser. Look how big it is too. I absolutely love vitamin C cleansers. They're always good to brighten up the skin. And that leads us to the last thing, which is this Violet Voss Disco Drip Eyeshadow Palette. Now you guys know Icy Nudes are in this year. They are. They are going to be all over for winter, and you could possibly use this to create some of those looks. I would love to get the new Huda palette, but bitch can't afford it. So I've got this, and I've got this other palette. Let me just show you real quick. ABH, the Mini Sugar. Are you kidding me? That's what's on my eyes right now. I absolutely love it. It's giving me icy looks, and I really think this Violet Voss is going to do it for sure. Okay, so let's just recap. The Violet Voss palette, the Mercari cleanser, we have the eyeliner, we have the setting spray, and then, now that I've got it all dirty, we have the iconic London highlights. That's everything that's in Boxycharm. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to speed things up, take everything out of the packages, and just give you all what you want. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I will talk to you all soon in my next one. Bye!